Hi friends, in this lesson we will talk about multipartite virus. The multipartite virus is one of the most dangerous computer viruses and is designed by malicious cyber criminals who infect vulnerable system boot sectors and executable .exe files. In the history of computer viruses, the multipartite party virus is the first virus of its kind to attack both boot sector and self-executable files at the same time, causing more damage than any other virus. The multipartite virus typically spreads by attaching it to a self-executable file, and when the virus is triggered, it latches onto the computer's hard drive, which contains the files needed for the boot sequence. How does this virus infect systems? The multi-party virus remains hidden and is present in the executable. Maybe it's difficult to get rid of this virus. A boot sector virus is triggered when a vulnerable victim turns on a computer. When a virus infects a system, it also launches a destructive payload. The virus repeatedly infects victims at various rates, rendering the system unusable even when performing simple tasks. The effects of multipart viruses are more destructive to computer systems. Multipartite virus replicates itself as soon as it appears on the system. It is difficult to protect yourself from this malicious virus, so it is advisable to take precautions. Do not download antivirus software from untrusted or untrusted sources. Be sure to check the reliability before downloading the software from the internet. Do not open email attachments. Update your antivirus scanner regularly. This is a special type of virus that spreads and damages files stored using multiple channels. Quick scans with reliable antivirus software allow you to process your system quickly and appropriately. Even most virus infections are not detected by amazing online antivirus scanners. If you see pop-ups on your screen, shut down your computer immediately. When the virus attaches to the boot sector of your computer, it runs a multi-party virus on your system. When a multi-party virus invades your computer, it starts dirty work. These viruses are difficult to eliminate because they can affect many systems. The boot virus infects floppy disks or hard drives directly and refuses to boot with an error message if the computer is infected. Boot sector viruses often spread through physical media. When the user launches the desktop, the virus is downloaded. In addition, the email attachment contains the boot virus code. These malicious and unwanted email attachments infect the host and privacy of the computer. These attachments can also include a notification requesting the victim to send an email to the user's contact list. Removing this boot sector virus is pretty difficult. Multi-party viruses are so insidious that victims will not be aware that an antivirus program is running and infecting their system. To protect themselves from this virus, users need to rely on updated virus protection programs. To get rid of the virus infection, you need to format the hard drive. It can infect the master boot record of a storage device and spread the virus not only to bootable media but also to non-bootable media. Important security tips to prevent multipartite viruses. Now that you know what multipartite viruses are and how they work, it is important to follow all the recommended practices and security tips needed to prevent your system from getting infected. Keep your computer and other software programs up to date. Older programs and older versions of the Windows operating system are the doors for cybercriminals to infect their systems. Therefore, we recommend that you keep all programs up to date at all times. Enable pop-up blockers. Intrusive access to pop-up ads, banners, and fake coupon offers are the most common tactics criminals use to spread virus-infected programs. Install a powerful ad blocker to block such annoying and harmful ads. Install antivirus software. Install a dedicated antivirus program to prepare for all types of computer virus-related attacks on your device. Avoid clicking on suspicious websites. Pay close attention to URLs before visiting a website. Do not click on the suspected freeware download website. Make regular backups. Make regular backups of important files on external devices to ensure the security of your data. Do not download spam attachments. Do not open or download email attachments from unknown senders. These spam emails often contain malicious links intended to infect your system by hackers. More and more computer viruses are released every day. It's almost impossible to use antivirus that acts as a cure for all of them. But the safety and prevention tips above can help reduce your chances of being the victim of a computer virus attack. Some are use cases of multipartite virus. Corporate environments. Multipartite malware can infiltrate networks through infected email attachments. It can compromise sensitive data and cause extensive financial damage. Individual users. Multipartite malware can stealthily infect a user's computer when distributed via malicious software downloads on the Internet. That allows cybercriminals to gain unauthorized access to personal information and execute various cyber attacks. Offline systems. Using compromised USB drives, multipartite malware can endanger critical infrastructure or isolated networks by exploiting security vulnerabilities. Mobile devices. Multipartite malware can target mobile devices by disguising itself as legitimate apps. It can compromise user privacy and lead to identity theft or unauthorized access to personal data. Gaming platforms. Multipartite malware may infiltrate gaming platforms, compromising user accounts and virtual assets. Ultimately, it can impact the gaming experience and cause financial losses.